I'm going to show you how to program a new remote to a Ford AU Series 2. It's a pretty straightforward process. So we have a working original remote and a new remote that we're going to program to the vehicle. First thing you need to do is keep driver's door open, insert key into ignition, turn to accessories position, and as soon as you turn to accessories you want to hit rear demister button 3 times. So accessories, 1, 2, 3.
You know, there's people who are hungry in the world.
The door locks will cycle once. You want to push a button on the new remote to be programmed. The door locks will cycle, and then you want to push a button on any existing remotes to make sure that they program back in as well. Turn ignition off, close driver's door, and test remotes. And that's it. Thanks.